Alright, we've been to this one before. Until we've had a lot of rain, it's up pretty far right now, so Jen's going to be careful. Alright. There it goes. Alright. Woo! Jenny, you don't know how deep it gets. Be careful.
I don't think there's anything in front of that one.
Check the exit real quick. We can see the debris coming out.
Good grief. Okay, I think that's it.
Alright, good job. Now they're all three flowing really good. Alright, me and Jen are out doing culverts today, and it's raining, so that's kind of nice. So we found this one down here. Let me go look at the exit first. See the creek running down back there. The culvert's right here. I don't know if you can see it right there, but it looks like it doesn't reach all the way down there. So let's see. Maybe there's a blockage over here.
Careful. There's stickers. You got stickers.
Look at all the moss growing on them trees. Yep, there is a sticker right there. Let's go around it this way. Oh, we got some water backed up in the woods, that's for sure.
These culverts rusted out completely on the bottom, but it will go through there.
Let me go. Yeah. Let's look inside first. Oh. Don't see all the way through it, and it is rusted on the bottom, but there is a blockage right here too.
Ready?
Yes, we'll go for it. Now it's starting to go through.
Drain it?
Yes.
There we go. That's a little better.
Yeah. Alright.
It's always in the way.
Yeah. This stick here has been sitting here so long that now a bunch of debris has built up behind it there. But we got it flowing now. Good job, Jenny Fo. Mama. Can we get out of here?
Huh?
Can we get out of here? Oh. Go look at the exit real quick. Hold on.
You got it?
Yeah, this sticker has grabbed my foot. There we go. Huh. You know, with that hole in the bottom, though, it's probably
It is.
running. It might take it longer to come out because of the hole in the
Rusted out
bottom.
on the bottom. So.
All right, well,
Pretty well
we're going to move on to the next one, I guess so.
Hey guys, what do you think of this low water bridge culvert? Do you call this a low water bridge? I don't know. A low area bridge, whatever. All three are flowing. We've been here before. The time we were here, there was barely any water at all flowing. And there wasn't that much of a clog, really. Today we've got a little bit more since it's been raining and it's bringing leaves and stuff like that down the river creek. So Mom's going to clear this one real quick and see it's rushing pretty good. Number one's got nothing. Hold on. I'm going to do from up here. That way I can go to the other side real quick. There we go. Got leaves coming out. There it goes. Nice. That's a big old rock got pushed up there.
Yeah, it is. No! Get back up in there. I know, I wonder why that's up there. I'll move it a little bit farther. I think that's good, Jim. Okay. I don't think I should. I think that's roots there.
It's roots.
So I couldn't really do much
We
there.
checked
Anyway.
last time and yeah, it's roots, not just a tree. Hey, it looks like the middle one's flowing heavier than it was.
Yeah.
Got that one clear again.
All right, everyone. We've been to this one before. This is the outflow. We've got 3 culverts. Now this one's not flowing much at all. It's flowing a little bit, but not as much as those two. So look how dirty Jen's truck is. It's raining today and we're going down all these muddy roads.
How to get down there?
Yeah, there's a little bit of a blockage down here.
Ooh. Okay, this water's going to fall a lot.
This is the one that's not flowing very good. In fact, I wish I was up here so I could run across and look at it. Here's a big stick right here. Whoa. Another one. This was backed up pretty bad. Yep. That was tricky, I almost fell. Wow, look at them go now. Whoa. Man.
This is just stick after stick. I know. That's why it's not flowing.
Well, the ditches are draining much better now. Look at that coming down through there.
Oh, I'm not ready. Okay. We cut on the end?
Yeah, just this first one. Well, there we go. Get all that out of there.
Come on.
There we go. All right, they're all free and clear and flowing marvelously. Much better.
That's concrete.
Downstream. So all this up here is really going to drain good now. These ditches will drain good. You can tell how the gravel's kind of built up a lip all across all three of these.
I mean, there's just stick after stick after stick under there.
Yeah. Yep, these ditches are draining much better now, Jen.
Yeah.
All right, are we moving on? Jen's like me, she never gets enough.
That was big.
All right, I spotted this from the road. Nobody lives on this property, it's for sale. But I just wanted to get this on video, it's so cute. Yeah, it looks like the house burnt down back there. You guys have any idea what this was for? Let's look in the window. Looks like maybe they had the stuff for the pool in there. Isn't that adorable? Yeah, got a hole in the ceiling. All right. I just couldn't pass off the opportunity to see that. Give you one more look at it.